and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Hill Farmers Union in distress due to frequent power outage. Nong Pendeng Sports Social and Cultural Club supports young people with a one-day career symposium. St. Claret Seminary jubilates with a football tournament. And Buddhist celebrates the 2567th birthday of Buddha. And now the news in detail. Due to the frequent power outage in the past few weeks, the farmers are also one of the groups who are gravely affected. Farmers who manage broiler breeder farms and brown eggs production place their difficulties before Alfenbert Carcentier, the General Secretary of Hill Farmers Union HFU. The leader of the union exclaimed that ever since the power outage started, the brown eggs business ceased to flourish as usual, and also the growth of growing chickens is hampered since the food feeding process for them are done through electricity. Due to the decrease in production, traders from outside the state seize the opportunity and fill the market with their products. He added that the HFU had united all the farmers through projects like applying for loans, but with the unavailability of regular electricity, the projects and schemes will be useless for them.
Hadin begini ki peleng kembang ngilayu i begini ki siar jongi ki lakai kini ki peleng ngilas dang mat penya yo yeki shaki yo ki hat ke jongi tendre ke jinge hangne kalong ba niyo i na ki news na kapor bahwa hadu ki siar hadu ki snyang bat kumjuru hadu ki peleng niyo i ya ka jingwan lin shop lani ya ka jingwan ra ka jong kini ki company ki baper ya kini ki peleng na sabar ka juju raj ya ka hok jongi ki trairi haba ni poi ha ka yokahan tede namar kata kadaw nga sngo ban ong hangni ba kum ka department lani kum ka sarkar kariban khmi bnia ya ka jingwan jong ki mar ki banabar namar ba kani ka jingwan palat kum ki siar na po asam rong yo i ba kum na gani ngi iya to ban new support nong stan baki nongrap ki jongi ki haban mi surak ban yakhi bat baki yen ha surak nakabenta ban bat yakini ki kali asam ki bakit yakini ki siar tede namar kata kadaw hakabide bakini ki peleng ro hot hakasin ka baning kong ka bagi die yakini ki peleng chakiyo ki hat ki jongi yo akador arspa prapo arspa khandai pho bangi die sayo bat kumjuru ladangi die pada retailer teng ni dan die laispa shipho bat kum tatar tendre namar baki jingwan jukini ki peleng na ka company menta pade ka pawon kit kitrok shaka jala ka jongi ka pelong ya ka dor ba kan hiar shadu arspa laipau ka bangim imshu kum kinong rap ki bangi persang ban yang hala ka jong ki kijat te namar kata kadaw nga pha ya gani ka khubor shaka sarkar bakan petngor halor kani ka jingwan jong ki mar ki banabar knang ba ngila ban kintiu ya kinong rap ki jongi hot kani ka project lani ka initiative jong ka Hills Farmer Union ka jingtmu hi jong kane ka HFU poultry project kadai bangi kwa ban create employment lani ban create job yaki la kalong yaki kon samla bat kum juru yaki paranong rap kumno ni persang ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot ka jongki fiu i dakabangi hikai kinong rap bandri kini ki siar khapeleng ada kini ki siar ki khapeleng man kasngi kindala khapeleng ki khaman kasngi te denang ta kinong rap kin sayo i bat kin sayo ban bat pisa lani ba kin sayo pisa man kasngi dakaba kini ki siar ki khapeleng man kasngi ni smo komen hoy namar bagani ka project ni lasdang no 9 November te mentalasan banaitam te hendrei hadin bani lasdang ni ka project ki nong rap ki bala yo ya ka loan na po bank kadi ka loan kane ka bangi shim na po SBI kumakhan yung ki nong rap hendrei namar ba ka jingduna palap jong ka survival rate lani kata ka jingim jong ki siar ka dawba hi katkum ka jing batay jong kinong rap kadai bet ka jing bombyang jong ka light hakapor ba kamtam hakapor ba kadai ka ayam ka bakriat te nga sngoban penpaw hangni kumu nong yalam jong kinong rap ubangila shim ya ka initiative ban betelenti kinong rap hot ni sngoto ba ka light lani ka electricity kadai ka way ka problem ka bakraw dei tang yengi ki ba ri jingri handrei kumju ru ye ki entrepreneur but kumju ru ye ki nong sengkam jam ki nong sengkam sengjam ki ba pendon kam raklai namar kata ka daw ngakwa ban pha ye gani ka khubor cha ka sarkar but ban yethu ye ka sarkar ba kani ka jing lip light khari khari jong sarkar lani kani ka load shedding kani ka way ka jing e ka ba khrau khamtam ya ki nong ri jingri khamtam lada ki de ki ba ri ye ki ne kisi ar le yar namar kata ka daw ngasngog ban pha ye kani ka khubor cha ka sarkar ba hapdeng kani ka jing persang ka jongi ban yarap ye ki nong rap but ban kintiu ya ka yok ka kot ka jongki hendrei ka jingyap ka jongki ni kisiar ka bu jing e yengi ya ka bangin siupat ya ka loan siapo ka bank ka bangila shim na po SBI te de namar kata ka daw nga ngidon ka jing smokia ban ngi kerpat ya ka sarkar ba hoy ka sarkar kalawan ra ya ka pigir mission kalawan ra ya ka milk mission hendrei nga kwa ba ka sarkar kan pek kerpang ye gini kinong rap ke jong yang ne posindidan ban wa ilat kelinti ban yarap ikinong rap bangila ban siupat ye gini kalun ka bangila shim na po SBI.
While career guidance is the need of an hour for young people in the state, the Nong Pendeng Sports, Social and Cultural Club and SS and CC initiated a one-day career symposium through the assistance of Meghalaya, Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs on the 29th April at Mauklam Nong Pendeng Community Hall. The resource persons of the day includes Manuel Badwar, IIM, Golden Star Nonglong, IIM, and K. Mary Walang, NIT, who pave a broad perspective for young people on their career choice. The intellects guided the students on roads they can take that has a high scope with their interests attached. They encouraged the students to follow their desires and arm them with knowledge in different fields. Present in the occasion were Minister of Mauklam Nong Pendeng, Valentin Solang, Secretary Tinningstone Bursat, President of NSS and CC, Jovial Roy Dingdo, Secretary of NSS and CC, Dr. LL Mausor, NSS and CC Advisor CP Bursat, students and audiences.
College itu ilanti ke jingim jong phiru kan suk ke stress level lu kan duna namar ka stress lu kan kiu mo la shay kibri ki bam yo kam lu ka kiu ke stress kibri ba ki bi yo kam la ka kam ya ha ba ka jingkwa tre jong phiru ka stress level ka kiu namar perthai meta kala nang sitom pm ki khasi hakapori pa jungi nang yo suk kam hakapori me jonga nang yo suk kam hakapori jonga la kham sitom hakapori jong fisele kham sitom shisho hakapori para jong fili nang sitom shisho te wat mut ba fise ka suk jingem pikap e perkhat lupa ka e ba pikwa banle ban shu up e ka kam la da kam ya ha ba ka jing long jong phiru kanum pai se e phinum sutnan a jingem then you won't live the best that you can. Lalaki kam lalaki jing sutnan kapisali kan one bed wat mud ba dengan tray tu ka kam te pisah ka duna dengan tray ni kam te pisah khambon le singan let tang hini na mar kham he pisah lada pidang ke jabeng ka ban la ban poi si sata mdan bakhan namar philong jack of all trade pinang lut baro khat phila ban le MPSC phila ban le UPSC pass dong IAS tip top palan ni la phim pat poi hadu kata ka jingmut jum perkhat bakan niat hadu kata tekan pher baro khat ni ba malam long IAS kita lagi bobok dah jing hendu ka syong puntakan ke ka sacrifice level ka phila man shim kita lagi beri ke bala man sacrifice khambon ki bala don ke jabing lu khambon te ki sacrifice khambon ki shim be tu nanti kita lagi beri ke ba don ke jabing man long IAS ki om em man kwa man long IAS namar baki om em larang atre ha corporate le singa kamai ka tulap sansha ndu sha na shipho sha yu IAS tu IAS officer utre sanpusnem maki ki tre shipusnem kapisa ba kamai la longom jo hadin shipusnem retire no lap yang song IAS kita libre ba hadu ka tar ki perkhan song be ba pisu thu shwa ya la die la da pisu thu ba phila ba nya chru shata ya la da pisu thu ba nga ngakut tang hanta long la tang hang ta ndai at least im ke jing im ka ba hun kan.
The organizers of the St. Claret Seminary Umsning celebrated the silver jubilee of the training home for youths following the part of Catholic Church religious on the 29th April. To fill the occasion with joy for the young people, the organizers organized an inter-seminary football tournament wherein two seminaries situated in Ribhoi participated with joy. Apart from Colossian Seminary, Salesian Pre-Novitiate Nonglakyat, Capuchin Seminary, Umkte and the Holy Cross Seminary Sumer were also participants in the football tournament. The tournament was supervised by Reverend Father Samuel Kandula. The tournament was inaugurated by the chief guest, Dr. Celestin Lingdor, MLA Umsning. Witnessing the event includes Reverend Father Pius Thuruthiel, Claretian Major Superior, and Reverend Father Pius Shadup, Parish Priest, Umsning Parish, Rocky Kalla, Chairman Umsning Town Dorbar, and Rocky Marwin, along with young people, men and women. In the opening day, the match was held between Claretian Umsning and Capuchin Umkte, in which the former claimed victory with 2-0 goals. The event was all the more lively with the dance performance delivered by the brothers from all the four seminaries Ribhoi district.
Tendency of 100 years, they will be able to see that St. Claret is part of a quarter of their life. Now, when we talk about activities in different institutions, be it educational or spiritual educational institutions, I'm very happy to see that St. Claret's on their Jubilee year have decided to organize the inter-seminary football tournament. There is a very nice saying in English which states, a healthy body likes to stay along with a healthy mind. Rather, a healthy mind chooses to live in a healthy body. There are exceptions, of course. There are many people who are very ill, very handicapped, but having very strong will and can achieve many things. That is the exceptions. But when we talk of the normal, it is always a healthy body that has a happy mind. Now, for seminarians, in the different houses, there's a lot of difference between the choice you have taken and the choice which other youths who are in different fields have chosen. The expectation levels are different. You have responded to the call. In Khasi we say, Kadebandon Kajingkot. There must be a call of the Almighty, then only we can respond to it. It is not our choice. It is not the way we decide, but then it is the blessing of God that lead us to the ultimate goal of becoming spiritual leaders. Hundreds enroll in the seminaries, but we see only a few reach the end. To become priests, to become maybe brothers in the different denominations that we have seen.
Bandrakhe ya kajindap arpusan senem jong kani ka Claret Seminary kajing sedang jong kani Claret Seminary ni apo umsning ki padar Claretian apo kajing yalam jong padar Tomi akapa dikal bar padar Samuel Kandula ki organize lani ki pendiat ya kani ka jingina kai football tournament inter seminary tinggi donang ne hari boy jungi santeli tinggi bawan kita tang saw kide ki Salesian dan Musko hanong lakiat nangta ki Capuchin nangte haum kti Roy nangta ki Holy Cross po Sumer bat ki Claretian nang ne hapo umsning te ini kisah tu lagi tim ki Simbentalang hagane ka tournament. Tikidon segi Jesuit humbir se kimlaban light na kita per tikidon bok mahang ni hanim boy juni idon dosan tu lagi sebenarnya jingkre banlong ngendo aruniam kini gibon lagi kita na balai kelas 11 12 tegi Jesuit tegi dan ka novitiate pa mausyaro tegi don santli tegi kene ka football tournament kalong ya kini ki santli ki seminary tang batang satu li na ki shimbentang.
Have the right performance done, people will watch and say, yes, he is a disciplined person. Well, he is having a good character. Well, he is a talented person. In order to make all of you talented, to reform yourself into a great personality and make you really useful to the society and also to the Catholic Church, we have the formation houses of our religious congregations. And this formation house of St. Clara's Seminary is 25 years already serving the people of Northeast India. We do have very many coming from all the states of India, especially from Northeast. And this seminary is organizing this tournament. I am really very pleased to become part of it. Today, when we think about our capabilities, our talents, and our qualities, it is something that depends on one's own individual interest to develop our talents, one's own interest to find out what are the talents in me and really make it grow.
Buddhists of Shillong on the 29th April celebrated the 2567th birthday of Buddha, the founder of the religion Buddhism, which strengthened their roots from Bihar, India and spread to many countries of Asia. Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdo, Shillong Archdiocese, graced the occasion and addressing the celebration, he acknowledged the value of the intellect of Buddha, who had visioned the significance of peace in the world, along with humility, love for one another, compassion, and living in peace in the society. He added that Jesus Christ had come to the world to improve the teachings and principles of Buddha. The world now thirsts for peace, which Buddha had mentioned the same as Jesus Christ. Through the complete immerse of the truth and the teachings of Buddha, one can attain peace. The Shillong Buddhist Association cordially invited religious leaders, which includes Saint Khasi, Sikh and others who had arrived at the celebration.
Invited by the Secretary of this Shillong Buddhist Association. Today I wish all of you are here as we gathered together here. It's a really joyful time. I'm happy to see Bahek, our minister, all other leaders of different faith here. As Bahek said, we are all together, we speak of the same thing, about God's love. Today, as we are grateful to the Buddhist Association for inviting us here, we are very, very happy because this coming together, we come to know each other. This is the first time that I attend the Buddhist Association, but I'm really grateful to them because I like this idea of coming together, knowing one another, and loving one another, caring for one another, appreciating one another. 45 years ago, I learned about Buddha. Very much, learned by heart like that boy today. Of course, slowly we understand the teaching of Lord Buddha. So many good things he taught. And the teaching of Lord Buddha has been perfected by the coming of our Lord Jesus Christ, who taught the same thing: peace, love, harmony, respect. This is what taught by Lord Buddha and perfected by our Lord Jesus Christ, and many other teachings of different all faith forum here. So today, when we have learned a lot from Lord Buddha, to respect one another, to love one another, to care for one another, to have compassion one another. That is the main teaching of Buddha, Lord Buddha. Love, compassion, respect, that is what we are lacking today, as what somebody has said today. You know the world need peace. We are praying for peace in the world. Peace, we pray for peace in the world, especially Ukraine, Russia are fighting every day, killing people every day. We don't want this war. We don't want this hatred. We want peace and harmony. Our country of today, India, lot of challenges. We want to bring back peace and unity.
The leader of the NPP in the second place of the state, Preston Tinsong, Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, exclaimed at an election campaign that it is he and Conrad who holds the key to the secretariat. He uttered the remarks at an election campaign in Rangshken rooting for an NPP candidate, Samlin Malyang, in which many party men gathered to participate.
Ubanang ban penyedai bat ka tim ke jong uhang te sekretariat ka bemut lenoi empoi sadu temutan yang terlebih haden jong ka artri kubenai mat sebagai thau sorkar lagi pipet bah ka tim NPP ka de gajo kibasyam hazuki ru kide kijo ni kampun penban mentang ni don pramut ke minister tang na kalian ke NPP ke jongi kabamut une ubalong ukon kadu pramut ke minister kumba alpo santli ke department kalau don lepas ke ni alpo santli ke department lada arpo santli ke department lambat lepa ubadan samlin lada uta unang soyong penren ya u kabamut unang soyong udai bi ndak ngerti sudah ngomong pak ngamar kade kakabuk siar kaba ndon mano naki hnreu totally ki konsensi de tang mapi ubayo ia kade kapuk siar dengan khot ia ki perlok bolok ki bongkersan ia ke parti NPP kenyok kato kadrodur pula kenyok kato kecik kedak kecik kenok lai pujat lai puskin namar ba kumangala onteng usyapi wahetam joka sekretariat kasyong hau Konrad baru Preston kata aku akan tahu yang lain ada pipun job itu wipa hadir juga kalai terik ke kebencian tang ban penyedai perlok suar bamposisnen tang penyedai perlok Iwan sekablau baru Preston ngan Aisyah ke entah mengenapit tapi kedur kadang Iwan ba arungan le gumta si pausin gumta si spasin gumta haka si spa iwesin ngalakan ay tunok
down ne sabi ban pli ban pa sarkar leng bai ni ki japi ban yeng haka ski tapot haka polling station pen se yang ngan be chriat ban nyon ya ka bot ke japi haka tu sembor jong tu kon leng ba ke EVM banyon be pi por hakakor bad hak khalai tarik uto sabi bapinyon la jaw padeng sam nga tharai tang ai khat riu kan yo tarik la pan smai badeng sam kum UMLA te kum ta kum unong yalam ngan yalam mi pi om tang ini kisnam radan mentah ini kentiru ngan yalam yapi ngan sim ke jing ke kli nakabanta kakak soyong hi baro kawai nam ta japi pai bahi baro kawai ngan nam i ye wei pai wei ngan kedop yapi da ka jing e bagan yalam yapi da ka jing e kom ta ngong yapi kom unong yalam habang don ke jing ke kli ngapai sekamon ngapai sekadiang ngapai sekaman ngapai jadian kide bapu seperti sudah namar balai ki pusat ki i long yalam jok piro pusat ki dai nam dai ngai pi klan ke tarpeng pi klan ke jemut perkat namar pi i long yalam jok piro dai paklan kom ta ba samlen Udai baklan kan tho kan ba pi kan tho kan no kan ba pi kan no kawang ni pi kawang ni ba samlen kan no maru mlele ba samlen tem dei dari yang plang mlei dari yang chen la tap dari yang slat kliam ka kli ba samlen la sulen kampang shu nak tak ada wang ni pi ha de kenti ka ba mentaru ngin yo yang jingjap badan buram.
Gracil Rockme, one of the famous vocalists of the state, on the 29th released the new music video entitled I Can Fly, sung by Isha Das. The music video was produced and sung by Isha Das, and the shooting for the music video was done in Meghalaya.
That you am grateful to have you all and the people who support me. I Can Fly is actually written and composed and sung by me. And this song is about overcoming your obstacles, not caring about what other people say about what you do, and being focused on your life no matter what, and achieving your goals no matter what other people say or any obstacle which is there to stop you or do anything. You need to overcome them and achieve your goals. And this song is, I wrote this song when I was actually feeling down one day, and I thought that this is not what I want to be. And that's why I made myself feel better by telling myself over and over that I can fly, and this is how the song was born. And now it is going to release in my YouTube channel, Isha Music. I hope you all like it and support me. I really appreciate all of you, and thank you.
Organizers, teachers and students of Shillong Commerce College managed a 6 days college week and concluded on the 29th April with sounds of joy and excitement. In his concluding remark, S. Loniak Marbanyang urged the students to march forward without fear towards any profession. He blessed the students, wishing them to reach lofty heights and meet their aspirations in life. Professor Sabita Sen, principal, urged the students to not hesitantly approach the principal's office, since the office is a place to provide solutions to problems and discover ways and means to open closed doors for their future. During the cultural event, the Miss Beautiful and Mr. Handsome award was given to Audrey Wankar and Pankaj Bordaloy, who were later crowned as the chosen ones in the college.
Shillong, and I felt good. Well, we are climbing the ladder slowly and steadily. And when I say we are climbing the ladder, not the teachers, it's you, the students. You bring good name to the college. So everything depends upon you students, whether you want to bring the name of the college up or down. I'm sure when the teachers teach you, they teach you many things. And one amongst them is how to become successful in life. Not only career-wise, but even through life skills, we teach people as to how to handle situations. how to face interviews, how to face problems. Many of you all come to us with personal problems. We have a counselor who counsels, we have teachers who counsels. And I think you are lucky, or maybe we are lucky to have students who come forward. So students, if you have any problems, you're always free to come to the teachers, you're free to come to me. Don't be scared of the principal's room. The principal's room is not the principal's room, it's actually the problem-solving room. So once you come and talk it out with me, things get balanced. We try to solve your problems. And I would like to request my students, when you go out, especially the 6th semester students, do not forget the things that you hear in this college. Teachers may scold you, principal may scold you, but it is for your own good. Parents scold you.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.